Hello and welcome. So today's topic is introduction of Google AppScript project. So what is AppScript project actually? As per Google, this is a script that is to work with Google's other product. That means this AppScript can be used to extend the feature of the application that Google already have, such as Google Sheet, Google Docs, Drives, and so on. The Google AppScript project are actually three types: the bound AppScript project, a standalone project, and then either of these two can be, or both can be, converted into web application type of application. So these three type of possibilities are there with the AppScript projects. The advantage of AppScript project is that it actually increase the speed of the development, rapid development, easy to create business application to integrate with lot of other Google application as well as third-party APIs such as Facebook, WhatsApp, and other chat APIs. You can write code in JavaScript. This is a pure older version of JavaScript, so it's possible that you are already familiar with it. So when you publish AppScript, an application that will be published as web application, that means you will get a URL you can share with your colleague and friends. AppScript can be bound with doc, sheet, forms, and sites, able to create custom menus, dialog, and sidebars. So it's a lot of features that through this you can actually increase the possibilities of your application. AppScript project can work with standalone, which means standalone AppScript project will have its own URL. AppScript project connects with a cloud-based applications such as Gmail, Drive, Docs, Sheet, Form, Sites, Calendar, Maps, AdSense, Analytics, Finance, YouTube, Translate, and more. The possibilities is endless. Few disadvantages of AppScript is quota. So it has a limitation, like per 24 hours how many calls you can actually do, like how many emails you can send, how many times email can be sent to a particular recipient. Even though the standard Gmail account has very less, but if you are Google Workspace users, then yes, you have lots of quota. The maximum execution time cannot be more than 6 minutes. This is restricted, and it is a little bit slow because of application oriented. AppScript cannot be used for local application development like Python or Visual Basic. It is purely cloud based. That means the whole of it should be on Google account. AppScript adapted from older version of JavaScript, and newer ES6 still cannot be used with it. So this is some of the basics of about AppScript. And AppScript recently got very popular as Google has introduced new script editor and a lot of other feature, auto completion, and so on and so forth. So hope you like it, and I would continue to add more videos on AppScript. Thank you for watching.